Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tahina, and on this channel we do hauls, unboxings, like subscription unboxings, Temu, Dollar Tree, Shein, anything like that. If any of that sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe. And today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Is it combined? No, it is not. This one is not combined. Sometimes I only get a couple of things and I have to combine some stuff. Okay, so let's see. I think everything is here. We'll just have to see. Okay, this is boring. I'm just going to show you. I did, in my other Temu haul, I did grab two of these. And I grabbed, the ones I grabbed before were for the bathroom, but I also realized that these are good to store my stock for my shop, so I grabbed two for that. I'm probably going to still get more of these for the bathroom though. Next up is, it's a small one, but they do have a cutting, they are calling it a cutting mat. They do have a cutting mat, which I thought was cool. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but it's good enough for me because when I have to do my lab reports, she wants us to cut out, you know, the pages, some of the pages or whatever, and I thought I could put this underneath and cut them out instead of using the scissors. Sometimes I use the scissors, but I like using the little tool like this, where it's got the little blade. So I grabbed that, and then in my last in my last Dollar Tree haul, I did show you some blue pens. I actually tried them. They're not perfect, but I do like them. I can write with them. Sometimes if you stop writing with them, you have to like do little circles to get the ink flowing again. That's the only issue with these. So I went back and got the black pens. It's open because I had to use the black pen. Now these I've been on the hunt for ever since I seen people that do shop with me show these, but I never seen them in the Dollar Trees out here though, which are these calligraphy pens. I don't know if these are going to work because I have bought some from Temu before, a couple of them, and they are not working. I did hear that with the ones that have the cartridges, what you might have to do is like stick the cartridge in there and then put the pen upside down for like a day or so, and because sometimes the ink won't flow through right away. So I do have one from Temu in my office that has been sitting down or upside, I don't know. I do have one pen that's been doing that for like 2 days now. I have to check to see if that actually works. Hopefully this works because it's got little lemons on it. It's cute. I thought it was cute. And they did have a watermelon one and I think one other print. I can't remember what it was though. I should have got the watermelon, to be honest. That would have been my favorite one. I got this one because it goes with my office colors. Next up, I did get these doggy waste bags. There were two other ones, not two other ones. There was another pack that was different. It had pink bags and it said wolf, and then I can't remember what the other bags were. But I got these because in one of my Temu hauls, I got a pooper scooper thing for the litter for my cats, and you could put a little bag in there and then scoop up the poop and it goes into the bag. So I just wanted to get extra bags for the little scooper thing I got. Next up, I did get this Halloween decor thing. I thought this was cute. I like the plaid, and I like that the pumpkin is all glittery. I was going to grab one, but it was messed up, and I was like, oh man. And it was the only one, but I seen this one. Somebody grabbed it and then put it in another aisle. So I just grabbed that one because that one was cool. I did grab this for my cats. They had different ones. They did have fuzzy animal print ones, but I chose the fish. This is messed up because my cat Velvet, the bag was on the floor and my cat Velvet already started messing with it. anything that's string or like yarn or anything like that, she has to chew it off. I don't know what it is with her. Like this string for the fish, it's gonna come off in 2 seconds. Oh, actually, she already did it. I didn't realize that. She already chewed this part. So I can't even put, because I got this for him, for Moo Moo, because he likes doing that. He likes playing with it. Huh. You like playing with that, huh? Nah, he ain't in a play mood. But this is why I got this. And Velvet messed it up for you, baby. Okay, so next up, I got some hand soaps. I always stock up on the hand soaps, so every time I get low, I always get at least 2 hand soaps from Dollar Tree. And this one, I know they have, this brand I've had before, not this particular scent. I didn't even smell it in the store, to be honest. But I have seen people show the fall one. I think there's 3 different scents. Fall scents, but I don't think this is one. This is Toasted Coconut, and this is from Delta Home. This was the only scent they had in the Delta Home at my Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree, it opened up, I want to say, about a month and a half ago, and they're still trying to stock stuff up because it used to be a 99-cent store, so it's huge. There's stuff stocked in the whole store. There's stuff stocked in the whole store, but it's like minimal stuff. They say they get a shipment every Thursday. I do not like the smell, but it's fine. I'm still going to use it. I wasn't sure if I was going to like this scent or not, but I got it because I did like the brand. So, I don't know. I'm still going to use it though. Whatever. I just won't get it again. And the other soap that I got is the Arm & Hammer Essentials. Now this, I get the majority of the time, at least one of them, because there's so many scents. And the last time I hauled some soap, I had a lemon and I had the, what's it called? The rose water, something like that, something with rose. I'm on the rose one right now. I finished the lemon one, and I know they got some new scents of this brand, but the only one that I haven't tried that my Dollar Tree had was the orange citrus. No, I'm lying. There was another one. It was the aloe one, but I did not grab that one because my boyfriend likes the fruity scent. He likes everything fruity. So I went for the orange instead of the aloe one. Next time I'll get the aloe one unless I see some of the other scents that I know are out there. Okay, so okay, this is boring stuff, but this is for my shop. I got some yarn. I know they have the $5 yarns. And at my Dollar Tree they do. I know they had white. I'm not sure if they had yellow or black. But the only reason why I didn't go for the bigger $5 ones is because I'm going to use these for bookmarks. And I don't think I need like that much yarn for certain bookmarks, you know. I mean, I could always use it, but I just chose to go with the $1.25 because I don't know if I'm going to keep bookmarks in the shop constantly. Next up, I did get these Zebra, oh my god, Zebra Sarasa fine liner pens. I was actually going to get these when I went to Dollar Tree, when I did my last Dollar Tree haul, but I chose not to because Amazon did have like a 10-pack for like $10, which I thought, but it was actually an 8-pack and it was for $15. Oh, my battery's dying. And the purple one was not in that pack, so I chose to go back and get these. So I just grabbed, the only one that's in the pack that I want, that my Dollar Tree didn't have, was the brown. And then I'll be set. I don't need the whole pack. Hopefully I can finish this video before my battery fully dies. Next up, I did get some energy drinks. This is the Pac-Man one. Hopefully you can see it without, I can't get the glare off. But it is the Pac-Man one, and this is called Power Pellet. They call it Cherry Lollipop. This one I've had before. This is good. If you like cherry, you're going to love this. I did grab one for my lunch last week, and then when I went back, I didn't see them. I was like, oh my God, because when I went and got the one for my lunch, there was only 5, and I only grabbed the one. And then when I went back, it wasn't there, but then when I went back this time, they moved it, because it used to be by the sodas. This time it was in the, what is that called? The end cap. It was over there. So I was like, you hid them from me. That's not nice. And then I also, so I got three or 4 of those. And then I did want to try this one, which is the same brand. Yeah, it's the same brand, G Fuel. And this one is the Sonic one, and it's peach rings. I seen this in Safeway, and they want $3 for it. So when I seen this in Dollar Tree, I grabbed it. I think there was only one other one of the Sonic one, but I didn't grab it because I'm not sure if I'm going to like this one or not. Is this one? No, they're like the same size. And these I can actually have because these are, they have no sugar, no carbs. Wait, is it carb? Yeah, no sugar, no carbs. And with me on keto, I can have these. So I'm happy about that. Next up, I did get this little pail. In my last Dollar Tree haul, I did show a Halloween one. And I seen this one, and I thought this was perfect for fall. So I'm going to do, like I said I was going to do with the Halloween one, I'm going to use it as like a pencil container. And then I did get this dish drying mat. I wanted the one with the blue because I know there's 2 versions of these, but they did not have the blue one. They only had the orange background or whatever, the fiber cloth side. You know what I mean. They only had the orange one, so I grabbed that. And the last of my items, I grabbed 2 of each of these. And I wanted these so we could use these for Thanksgiving. So I know this is last year's print, but last year I was looking for these and I never seen these. They never came in my Dollar Trees, or at least when I went, because I don't always go to Dollar Tree. So they did have the mugs too. I didn't get the mugs because I have so many mugs. There's like, I have a cabinet full of mugs, and then I have a cabinet full of like tumblers and then regular cups. The cabinet with the mugs are full. I even have mugs that I can't even put in there. But I did get the bowls, and it says thankful in there with the pumpkins. I really like that. And I got the bigger plates. I didn't get the smaller plates. I could go back and get the smaller plates, but I don't think I am. I think we just need this. And because I got the bowl, like mashed potatoes for Thanksgiving or whatever can be in the bowl. And then, you know, the stuff, or the green bean casserole, that stuff, you know, that's liquidy, can be in the bowl. And then, like, the turkey or the ham or whatever can be on the plate. That way they don't get soaking wet. So that's everything for this I always want to say Temu haul. That's everything from this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you like it. Since I live right around the corner from the Dollar Tree, I will have more Dollar Tree hauls. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time.